Production manager Mr. Smith is increasingly facing challenges in tool management and organization. This leads to unnecessary delays, costly errors, and the entire production process not running smoothly. For example, there is a lack of standardized tool data for CAM programming and production. Required tools are often not available at the machines in time, or their location is unclear. The condition of the tools is also often unknown, and typing errors regularly occur when transferring the tool data to the machine control system. A decisive step is the complete digitalization and central organization of tool management. It is important for Mr. Smith to integrate not only tool management, but also CAM programming, tool setup and measurement, as well as the machines into the system. The tool logistics module from Hummingbird meets Mr. Smith's requirements exactly. It manages the physical tools in production based on the tool database of the leading CAM system. This means that all employees in the company work with the same up-to-date tool data. A data matrix code or RFID chip attached to the tool holder enables the assembled tool to be clearly identified. This allows the tool data to be handled efficiently and reliably during production by scanning. All information about a tool is available digitally at all times. Handwritten notes, manual data transfers, or setup sheets are a thing of the past. Employees in production always know exactly where a tool or component is stored. The setter at the machine has all the necessary data to hand. The Hummingbird system securely transmits the tool data to the machine by scanning the attached identification. The new digitalized tool organization saves valuable time in all departments, ensures complete transparency, and prevents errors caused by manual typing, mix-ups, or outdated data. The modular Hummingbird system makes it easy for Mr. Smith to get started with digitized production. After the introduction of tool logistics, further modules such as planning and control, machine data acquisition, or the CAM-CNC connection can be integrated without any problems. This means that Mr. Smith can continue to rely on the Hummingbird system in his production in the future.